In front of me is iPad mini 4, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, let's open the contact list right here, and then pick the contact that doesn't have a profile picture, so we can stay with monkey. And then tap on edit right here at the top of the list under the profile picture, and you've got several options. So you can grab a picture right now by using this camera icon. You can choose something from your own gallery, tap on choose, then to apply, and you'll be able to customize it with the filters. Tap on done. Then you can also choose some emoji, for example this one, and then pick style to set the background. Tap on done, or you can smoothly go through the customized emojis and tap on done to apply it. Let me click done. And from now on, this profile picture will be assigned to monkey, and anytime he will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.